Are you starting your lecture with static textbook examples while the latest peer-reviewed research is breaking in real time? Cut through the noise and model high-level inquiry by using deep research in Gemini to conduct a live literature scan at the very start of your session. Imagine you're teaching a seminar on renewable energy and you want to discuss the most recent breakthroughs in solid-state battery technology from just the last few months. In Gemini, select Deep Research and then enter this prompt. What are the most significant peer-reviewed findings from the last 6 months regarding solid-state battery efficiency? Focus on energy density breakthroughs and provide a structured summary with citations. Gemini begins by building a research plan that you can easily review and modify. You can even click Edit Plan to show students how you refine the strategy to include specific journals or commercial applications. Once you click Start Research, Gemini acts on your behalf to scour hundreds of websites and, if you choose, even your Google Workspace apps like Gmail, Drive, and Chat. It shows its thinking live, providing transparency that allows you to discuss the research path and sources with your class to model depth of inquiry. Within minutes, Gemini achieves what would usually take a researcher hours of manual searching and synthesis, providing a comprehensive, cited report you can instantly export to a Google Doc. To extend this idea, you can use the Create menu to transform the report into a range of interactive study aids like podcast-style audio overviews, quizzes, or infographics to deepen student engagement with the findings. Modeling this transparent inquiry process live turns Gemini into a thought partner, shifting student habits from seeking speed to answer toward performing deep, iterative research. Okay, now it's your turn. Head over to gemini.google.com to get started.